Advancements, economic upheavals, and market disruptions flood our feeds every day. But what does it all mean for you? The truth is, while change can be intimidating, it's also brimming with opportunities, if you know where to look. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. How you can not only navigate the looming crisis of 2025, but use it as a springboard to thrive with the power of artificial intelligence, AI, on your side. Imagine a future where you're not just surviving the shifts in the market, but are ahead of the curve, reaping the benefits of adapting early to new technologies. That's the promise of this video, to equip you with the mindset, tools, and strategies to harness AI's potential for your personal and professional growth. The year 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal one. Economists, futurists, and market analysts have all pointed to a convergence of challenges: economic instability, shifts in global trade dynamics, and most notably, a revolution in how work is done, driven largely by AI. These aren't just abstract concepts. They're realities that will affect everyone, from students choosing their career paths to seasoned professionals wondering if their skills will still be relevant tomorrow. Here's the thing: AI isn't just another trend. It's a transformative force reshaping industries, creating new opportunities, and yes, displacing some traditional roles. But before you let that spark anxiety, consider this. Those who understand and adapt to this technology early will not only remain relevant, but will position themselves as leaders in the new economy. Let's take a moment to unpack what's happening. Economically, the world is grappling with inflationary pressures, fluctuating markets, and a growing emphasis on sustainable practices. On top of that, the pandemic years accelerated the adoption of digital technologies, leaving no room for complacency. For businesses and individuals alike, staying static is no longer an option. Now, enter AI, a tool that, when used wisely, has the power to turn these challenges into stepping stones. Picture this: companies leveraging AI for predictive analytics to stay ahead of market trends, entrepreneurs automating mundane tasks to focus on innovation, and individuals using AI-powered platforms to upskill faster than ever before. These are just a few examples of how AI is reshaping the landscape. But here's the question you're probably asking: how do I fit into this picture? The answer lies in a shift, both in mindset and action. The first step is understanding the scope of AI's potential. Think beyond the buzzwords and headlines. This is about practical applications that can make a tangible difference in your life. Let's look at some examples. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical data, leading to faster diagnoses and personalized treatments. In finance, algorithms are transforming how investments are made, reducing risks and optimizing returns. Even in creative fields, AI is enhancing human potential, generating ideas and streamlining workflows. And for individuals, platforms like LinkedIn Learning and Coursera are integrating AI to offer personalized learning paths, helping users acquire in-demand skills efficiently. This brings us to the core of today's discussion: the opportunities that AI presents. Whether you're looking to start a business, advance in your career, or simply stay informed, AI can be your ally. But to leverage it effectively, you need more than just knowledge. You need a proactive approach. That means staying curious, seeking out resources, and most importantly, being open to change. One of the biggest hurdles many face is the fear of the unknown. It's natural to feel overwhelmed by the sheer scope of what AI can do. But remember this: every great opportunity starts with a leap of faith. The key is to take that leap with a plan. Start small. Explore free AI tools. Experiment with automation in your daily tasks, and read up on how others are integrating AI into their lives. The more you engage with this technology, the more confident you'll become in its potential. Now, let's talk about the practical steps you can take. First, identify the areas in your life or career where AI could make the most impact. Is it automating repetitive tasks at work, enhancing your learning process, streamlining your business operations? Once you have a clear idea, start researching tools and platforms that align with your goals. For example, if you're in marketing, Tools like HubSpot or Jasper can help you create content and analyze campaigns more efficiently. If you're an entrepreneur, platforms like Shopify use AI to optimize online stores, from inventory management to customer engagement. And if you're simply looking to stay informed, following AI-focused newsletters or podcasts can keep you updated on the latest trends and innovations. But there's another layer to this: mindset. Embracing AI isn't just about learning how to use the tools. It's about reprogramming your thinking to see change as an opportunity rather than a threat. This requires a shift from a fixed mindset, where challenges are seen as insurmountable, to a growth mindset, where every obstacle is a chance to learn and evolve. One way to foster this mindset is through visualization. Picture yourself in 2025, thriving in your career or business because you took the time to understand and adapt to AI. Imagine the confidence you'll feel, knowing you're ahead of the curve. Use this vision as motivation to take action today. And speaking of action, let's not forget the importance of community. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who are also exploring AI can be incredibly empowering. Join online forums, attend webinars, and engage with professionals who are leveraging AI in innovative ways. These connections can provide not only inspiration, but also practical insights into how you can apply AI in your own life. As we approach the end of this discussion, let's recap what we've covered. The crisis of 2025 may seem daunting, but it's also a turning point, a chance to embrace change and come out stronger on the other side. By understanding the potential of AI, taking proactive steps to integrate it into your life, and fostering a mindset of growth and adaptability, you can position yourself as a leader in the new economy. Remember, the journey begins with a single step. Start small, stay curious, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you explore, the more you'll realize that AI isn't just a tool for tech experts or big corporations. It's a resource that anyone can use to thrive. So, what's your next step? Perhaps it's researching an AI tool that piqued your interest during this video. Maybe it's reaching out to a mentor or joining a community of like-minded individuals. Whatever it is, take that step today. The future is here, and it's brimming with possibilities. All you have to do is reach out and grab them. Thank you for joining this conversation about how AI can help you prosper during the challenges of 2025. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who could benefit from this knowledge. Together, let's build a future where technology empowers us all